Cognizant, जो एक फ्रेशर को 3 लाख से 5 लाख तक की सैलरी ऑफर करती है, often hires them in bulk through their mass hiring programs.
Are you an engineer looking for a job? If yes, tech giant Cognizant has an exciting offer for you.
Cognizant is mass hiring for software engineer associate.
Cognizant has launched its biggest mass hiring drive.
But this time, when they announced their off-campus mass hiring drive, instead of more and more students applying for the job, the company got trolled over the internet. And the reason is the salary they offered. They promised a salary of 2.52 lakh per annum. That is only 21,000 per month.
They're offering freshers 2.5 lakh rupees. Awesome, right?
2,52,000 rupees per annum.
When I saw this news, one question came to my mind. Cognizant CEO is India's highest paid CEO, and it has been named the world's best employer by Forbes. So why would they offer such a low salary package?
2.5 LPA is pretty less.
Actually, the fees is more than that.
2.5 is really not enough.
I did some research and found out that some people are actually supporting this decision. For example, an entrepreneur from Bangalore tweeted that nowadays freshers lack basic communication and coding skills, and he felt even 20,000 per month like overspending. Plus, he added, if candidates aren't okay with it, then do not apply. After all this drama, one thing became clear to me. When there is so much competition, then it is very important to work on your skills. इसलिए इन सब पचड़ों में टाइम वेस्ट करने से अच्छा है कि अपनी इंडस्ट्री रिलेवेंट स्किल्स बिल्ड करने में टाइम लगाओ. कहीं और कभी तो शुरुआत करनी है, एंड Cognizant is a good brand name to get started.
Cognizant India blends innovation with excellence, delivering transformative digital solutions. With a people-first approach and cutting-edge technology, it drives growth, opportunities, and success.
और वैसे भी किसी ने कहा है, काबिल बनो, कामयाबी खुद तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी. And with the same note, I thought of creating this video especially for those college students and freshers who are waiting to get their career started in 2025. This video will guide you through entire Cognizant process, how to apply, their exam pattern, their interview process. So that is why I have divided this video in these sections. How to apply for a job at Cognizant as college student with no or limited coding skills, or as a college student with advanced coding skills. How to apply for a job at Cognizant after graduation, that is their off-campus placement process. Third, the recruitment process at Cognizant. And the fourth is salary package for jobs at Cognizant. So let's talk about the first section, that is how can you get a job as a college student. I recommend you to save this video. इसमें बहुत सारी information cover की गई है जो एक बार में याद नहीं हो पाएगी. So the one way is through their on-campus placement drive. Every year, Cognizant hires graduates through their 4 on-campus hiring programs. These programs are designed based on your experience level and your coding levels. For example, if you are a fresher with minimal programming skills and experience, then you will apply to Gen C and Gen C Elevate hiring programs. And if you have some experience and advanced programming skills, then you will apply to Gen C Pro and Gen C Next programs. मैंने आगे की वीडियो में हर एक प्रोग्राम को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है. ये वीडियो बनाते टाइम हमने बहुत रिसर्च की है और ये वीडियो आपके बहुत काम आने वाली है, तो जरूर से सेव कर लेना इस वीडियो को. Gen C Cognizant hiring program is for freshers who do not have any prior work experience. In this program, the knowledge of programming is recommended but is not mandatory. They will assess your problem-solving skills. But if you are a fresher with foundational programming language knowledge, then Gen C Elevate hiring program is right for you. In this, you get a skill-based bonus of around 25k to 30k along with the Gen Z program salary that is 4 lakh LPA. तो चलिए अब इन दोनों प्रोग्राम्स की एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरियाज भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. तो अगर आप BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc ग्रेजुएट हैं तो आप इन प्रोग्राम्स में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इन प्रोग्राम्स का एक एकेडमिक क्राइटेरिया है जो आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं. So now let's understand their application process. अगर Cognizant आपके कैंपस में हायरिंग कर रही है तभी आप इन प्रोग्राम्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो, because you will get a registration link from your college to apply to these programs. Once you have registered through the link given by the company, they will verify your eligibility criteria. Once you have cleared that, then only you can take part to their recruitment process. इन दोनों के रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है जो मैंने इस वीडियो में कवर किया है. Gen C रोल के लिए सबसे पहला राउंड होता है एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट. इस टेस्ट में आपकी क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग और वर्बल एबिलिटी चेक की जाएगी। बेसिकली ये आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स को टेस्ट करेगा। लेकिन जेन ज़ी एलिवेट रोल्स के लिए आपको एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट की जगह पर टेक्निकल असेसमेंट देना होगा जो आपकी कोडिंग स्किल्स को असेस करेगा। राउंड 2 होता है कम्युनिकेशन असेसमेंट का। दिस असेसमेंट राउंड इज द सेम फॉर जेन ज़ी एंड जेन ज़ी एलिवेट प्रोग्राम। This round will assess your communication ability and English speaking skills. Third round is technical interview. It is a face-to-face interview round. Gen Z roles के लिए इस राउंड को SME इंटरव्यू राउंड्स भी कहा जाता है, विच इज सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट इंटरव्यू। और Gen Z एलिवेट रोल्स के लिए इस राउंड को टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू कहा जाता है। इन कंपैरिजन Gen Z एलिवेट का टेक्निकल राउंड ज्यादा हार्ड होता है एज इट मेंट टू असेस योर कोडिंग स्किल्स। So make sure you are familiar with at least one programming language. It is not necessary for you to be fluent in all the programming languages, but you should have sufficient experience with at least one of them, such as C++, Java or Python. And once you have cleared all the 3 rounds, you will get the offer letter. But here is an exciting part. अगर आप किसी वजह से सी एलिवेट का कोई राउंड क्लियर नहीं कर पाते हो तो डू नॉट वरी, रिक्रूटर माइट स्टिल ऑफर यू अ जॉब पोजीशन इन द सी प्रोग्राम if they believe you are a great fit for the role. So now let's discuss about the remaining 2 programs that are C Next and C Pro. These 2 programs are for freshers with some prior experience and expertise in programming and platforms like cloud, cybersecurity, SAP and more. So let's first talk about C Pro hiring program. If you have any prior expertise in platforms like Salesforce, Pega, SAP, cybersecurity, ServiceNow, then you can apply for Gen C Pro roles at Cognizant. For these job roles, you will get a salary of 5.4 lakh plus a one-time skill premium. Now let's talk about the 4th hiring program, that is Next program. If you have advanced programming skills, coding skills and full stack ability, then you can apply for Gen C Next roles. Here you will get job positions like full stack developer, data scientist and more. And for these job roles, you will get a CTC of 6.7 LPA. तो अब बात करते हैं कि इन दोनों प्रोग्राम्स की एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है जो आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं। अगर आप ये 2 हायरिंग प्रोग्राम नेक्स्ट एंड प्रो के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो ये ध्यान रखें कि आपके पास बीटेक, एमटेक, बीई या एमई की डिग्री होनी चाहिए और ये भी जरूरी है कि आपकी ब्रांच एआई, एमएल, डेटा साइंस, सीएससी या आईटी हो। अब चलिए इन दोनों हायरिंग प्रोग्राम्स का रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस भी समझ लेते हैं। राउंड 1 इज कम्युनिकेशन असेसमेंट दैट विल असेस योर रीडिंग, ग्रामर, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग स्किल्स। राउंड 2 वुड बी टेक्निकल असेसमेंट जिसमें आपकी डोमेन स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज टेस्ट की जाएंगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर अ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट जॉब रोल, देन योर असेसमेंट विल बी बेस्ड ऑन coding problems like topics, algorithm, data structure and more. Round 2 will be technical interview. If you pass both the assessment rounds, then you will be invited for the technical interview. This round will test your technical skills and cognitive ability. Then there will be an HR interview round. In this round, the recruitment team will assess your cultural fitness for the job role. And if you pass all these rounds, then you will receive an offer letter for these hiring programs. लेकिन यहाँ एक important बात है जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए. You need to do a mandatory 3-month internship before you final on board at Cognizant. In this internship, you will work on real-world projects that will help you gain hands-on experience. And once you complete the internship, you will receive the offer letter based on your performance. Let me share something important with you here. Through international placement courses as well, you can get into these roles and companies. Here you will learn the necessary skills and receive a placement assistance that will help you clear your interview and assessment rounds. But sometimes I get messages from students asking, why do your students get internships first instead of full-time roles? I want to explain that these are specialized roles that require some experience to handle real-world projects. Even companies like Cognizant also follow this approach. The purpose is to build a strong foundation first. So I will recommend you do not miss such opportunity. Start small, focus on building your skills and everything else will fall into place. So do not wait and apply for international placement guarantee courses now and take your first step towards your dream career. अब चलिए बात करते हैं एक और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन की। अगर कॉग्निजेंट आपके कैंपस में नहीं आ रही है तो आप कैसे कॉग्निजेंट में जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? You can do that by participating in their off-campus hiring drives. Cognizant hires for 2 job roles through its off-campus drives, graduate trainee and engineer training. अगर आप non-tech field से हैं तो आप graduate training के लिए apply कर सकते हैं. This role offers a salary of 2.5 LPA to 3 LPA. You can check the eligibility criteria here. और अगर आप टेक्निकल फील्ड से हैं तो आप इंजीनियरिंग ट्रेनिंग जॉब रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. दिस इज एन एंट्री लेवल जॉब पोजीशन फॉर इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट्स. दिस रोल ऑफर्स अ सैलरी ऑफ 4 lakh LPA. हियर इज द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस रोल ऑन द स्क्रीन. चलिए अब फटाफट से बात कर लेते हैं कि कॉग्निजेंट का एप्लीकेशन और रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस क्या होगा. To get a job at Cognizant, you can apply through 3 ways. First, job portal like Internshala, walk-in interview drives, and Cognizant career page. उसके लिए visit Cognizant official career portal and apply to the role that matches your interest and skills. अब Cognizant में जॉब लेने के लिए उनका रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस क्लियर करना पड़ेगा, जो कि होता है उनका ऑनलाइन स्किल बेस्ड असेसमेंट एंड देयर टेक्निकल एंड HR इंटरव्यू राउंड्स. वंस यू क्लियर ऑल दीज राउंड्स, you will receive an offer letter from Cognizant. I know this video is a bit long and packed with information, but my team and I did our best to give you complete and accurate details. There is still an important point I didn't cover in this video, but do not worry, I will talk about it in the next one. I just need little more time to do some more research. In that video, I will talk about the off-campus recruitment process at Cognizant in detail. I will also discuss each round in detail and I will share sample questions and answers that have actually been asked to Cognizant candidates. Plus, I will also go through the questions Cognizant has shared on their official website, so you will get a complete picture of what to expect. So stay tuned to this channel and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to motivate me and my team. Till then, all the